What is a mixture and types of mixture? Before starting the lecture, click on the subscribe button and get access to our 100 of conceptual lectures for free. Firstly, let me teach you that what is a mixture. Well, when two or more substances are combined together physically in any ratio, it is called as a mixture. For example, when you dissolve some sugar in the water, you get a sugar solution. It is a mixture because sugar and water are combined together physically. And the definition in any ratio means that if you add 1 gram sugar or 10 gram sugar in the water, still you get a mixture. Secondly, when you dissolve carbon dioxide gas in the water, you get carbonated drinks. It is also a mixture because water and carbon dioxide gas are combined together physically. Thirdly, coffee is an example of mixture because coffee and water are mixed together physically. Fourthly, air is also a mixture because different gases like nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, and carbon dioxide gas are mixed together physically. Thus, we learn that when two or more than two substances are joined together physically in any ratio, we get a mixture. Now, what are the different types of mixture? Well, there are two types of mixture: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Now, what is homogeneous mixture? The word homo means same. Homogeneous mixture is a mixture which has same or uniform composition throughout its mass. For example, when you dissolve salt in the water. Here, let me ask you, can you differentiate the particles of salt that from the particles of water? Well, the answer is no. We cannot differentiate them. So we say that salt and water forms a uniform composition throughout its mass, and we therefore call them a homogeneous mixture. Some other examples of homogeneous mixtures are air, vinegar, carbonated drinks, etc. These all mixtures have uniform composition throughout its mass, therefore we call them homogeneous mixtures. Now, what are heterogeneous mixture? Well, the word hetero means different. A mixture which has different or non-uniform composition is called as a heterogeneous mixture. For example, when you add some oil to the water, the composition of this mixture is non-uniform because you can easily spot the layer of oil and water with naked eye. So it is a heterogeneous mixture. Some other examples of heterogeneous mixture are small pebbles in the water, coffee, pizza, etc. These all mixtures are heterogeneous mixture because they all have different compositions or non-uniform compositions. To summarize my lecture, we learn that when two or more substances are combined together physically, we get a mixture like sugar solution. Secondly, we learn that a mixture is a homogeneous mixture if it has same or uniform composition throughout its mass. For example, the salt solution has uniform composition throughout its mass, and we therefore call it a homogeneous mixture. Thirdly, we learn that a mixture is a heterogeneous mixture if it has different or non-uniform composition throughout its mass. For example, when you add some oil to the water, it has non-uniform composition, therefore we call it as a heterogeneous mixture. This was all about mixture and types of mixture.